And septic contractors, happy Tuesday. Are you looking to hire on more crews in 2026? Are you looking to buy more equipment? Join me and other excavation and septic business owners this Thursday, 2 p.m. Eastern Time, where we'll be going over creating and developing your complete 2026 internet marketing plan to help you achieve those results. It's a free training. We're going to be giving away a 20-page workbook along with some other bonuses so you can dial in your marketing and get it right for the new year. So I'm super excited. This is our biggest webinar event of the year, and it's this Thursday, 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Excited to see you there. Click the link around this video now. Spots are limited for the live event. See you soon. Bye.